and welcome to the News Desk. I am back again with certain upgrades and information related to you. So without waiting for any further ado, let's get into it. First news we have is about class representative meeting. An online meeting of class representatives of all sections with Director Sir was conducted in online mode on WebEx during 12:30 pm to 1:30 pm on 14th of August 2020. 66 class representatives were present for the meeting. Professor M.M. Khanapurkar, Deputy Director and Dean Academics, welcomed Director Professor Sachin Untawale Sir and all class representatives. He put forward the action taken report on the last CR meeting and also highlighted the major issues raised by the CRs in different meetings. Now, in this department meeting, Director Sir addressed CRs on various concerns and issues raised by them. After Director Sir's address in general, Deputy Director and Dean Academics called on CRs department-wise and section-wise for any further grievances they might have. The meeting ended with thanks by Deputy Director and Dean Academics to Director Sir for addressing issues and concerns raised by students. He also thanked CRs for attending meetings and asked class representatives to convey the discussion held on various points to their respective section students. Director Sir conveyed all the best to all the class representatives because it takes a lot of leadership, it takes a lot of support mechanism, it takes a lot of teamwork to be a class representative and at the same time render all related responsibilities. He also appealed and expected the students to stay home and stay safe. Next up, I have news about DHRC being a mentor institute under Margadarshan scheme of AICTE, New Delhi. DHRC is mentor institute for 10 plus institutes in state. DHRC always extends helping hand for mentee institutes for undergoing NBA process. Under this, AICTE appointed Margadarshak, Dr. Harikumar Naidu, Professor Electrical Engineering Department, visited Mentee Institute Priyadarshini Lokmanya Tilak Institute of Management Studies and Research to initiate their process of NBA accreditation on 21st August 2020. The meeting was held in the chamber of Dr. R. Verma, principal, in the presence of senior staff members of the college, keeping the social distancing norms in the mind. This is the first step toward marching ahead in the process of NBA accreditation of the college, since all issues to comply as per NBA criteria norms were discussed. Next up, I have an interesting news about patriotic song competition. On the August occasion of 74th Independence Day, the patriotic song competition was held at GHRC Nagpur. Now, the twist was the online mode, which was facilitated by WebEx at 10 am under Raga Music Club GHRC Nagpur. There were total 8 participants from various departments. The event was graced by the judge Mr. Prashant Zog, director and founder of Swar Nakshatra Group Nagpur. Director GHRC Dr. Sachin Untawale and Deputy Directors Dr. M.M. Khanapurkar and Dr. Varke graced the occasion. Finally, a vote of thanks was delivered by Dr. Kalyani Akant, Raga Music Club in charge and Associate Professor, Electronics and Telecommunication Department. Kronika Panchbai from ETC 7C handled the responsibility of anchoring. Prerna B, IT Department, Pratik Pandey, CSE Department, Pratik Vaidya, Mechanical Department were first, second and third winners respectively. Around 150 students and faculties participated as an audience. Next news we have is one of the most pride news we have, that is HIV and AIDS awareness campaign run by National Service Scheme and Red Ribbon Club of GHRC, which was held on 25th August 2020. International Youth Day is celebrated on 12th August every year. This year, the theme for International Youth Day was Youth Engagement for Global Action. And on behalf of this day, National Service Scheme and Red Ribbon Club of GH Raisoni College of Engineering Nagpur have jointly organized an awareness talk on HIV/AIDS, which again was held on 25th August 2020 Tuesday. The objective of this program is to create awareness about the myths and truths of HIV and AIDS. At the start of program, Professor Mangesh Borkar, Program Officer NSS GHRC, welcomed Shri Prashant Mishram, Technical Officer GMC Nagpur, Dr. Sachin Untawale, Director GHRC, and he also invited speakers and the audiences. In preamble, Professor Borkar told the importance of the day and how every youth of India should involve himself or herself in the programs under themes like these. The invited speaker, Shri Prashant Mishram, started his lecture and he focused on various topics related to HIV and AIDS, like HIV prevalence in different population growth, National AIDS Control Program from 2020 to 2030, HIV counseling and testing, HIV care services, CST services, various stages in AIV, HIV, AIDS, and many more. He spoke very nicely and gave answers to the questions that might have come in any audience's mind. After his lecture, Dr. Sachin Untawale, Director GHRC, addressed the students and gave his wishes on behalf of International Youth Day 2020. At the last, Professor Mangesh Borkar gave his word of thanks to Shri Prashant Meshram, Dr. Sachin Untawale, Mrs. Tanuja Phale, DAPCU General Hospital, Nagpur, Dr. Manoj Shanti, the WebEx coordinator, and all attendees. Total 146 staff and students of GHRC attended the program through WebEx, and 58 people joined the program through YouTube Live. The program was conducted by Professor Mangesh Borkar under the guidance of Dr. Sachin Untawale, Director, GHRC, Nagpur. Now, having read about all of these news for you, you must have realized one thing very clearly. It is not always about being the first. It is also about making sure that not only you, but people around you who are in the industry should be uplifted, just like how GHRC does in its various schemes. Also, the fact that your education system is not only focusing on your academic development, but also in your other co-curriculars. So when you walk out of this college, you will be a complete student who would be so high in values and ethics that you would always remember GHRC as the premium institution, which is instrumental in your growth as a person. Okay, so next time we meet up, I hope until then you will continue studying. I hope you will continue to stay updated. Until then, this is Priyanka Sharma signing off.